Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to switch the handle side on your Daiwa Laguna spinning reel. This is perfect if you're left-handed, right-handed, or just want to try the other side. Don't try to unscrew the handle. On this model, the handle is locked by a screw cap on the opposite side. Locate that cap now. Hold the handle still and turn the cap counterclockwise. Keep turning until it comes completely off. With the cap removed, the handle will slide out easily. Pull it gently from the side it's currently on. Now insert the handle into the opposite side of the reel. Push it all the way through so it sits properly. Take the screw cap and thread it into the open side. Turn it clockwise to tighten while holding the handle steady. Make sure it's snug but don't over-tighten. Spin the handle to check it feels smooth and secure. And that's it, your Daiwa Laguna handle is now on the other side. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fishing tutorials.